In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ANC future while examining the Anchor Convention cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and any essentially other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Anchor Convention, or so they thought. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig kind of profound into the Anchor Convention value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ANC is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ANC succeed or basically fizzle, or for what reason will more convention value rise or drop, we should rapidly, in every practical sense, toss a look at what ANC is and its to-date history. ANC value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers truly are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations, which is genuinely huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to essentially find an especially neighborhood base before we can move the other way and explicitly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to especially do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and for the most part other essentially greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we truly assess our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other really exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, or so they thought. Exchanging Instruments Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this generally bear market will genuinely endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise in an unpretentious manner. Beneath by and large is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 9.24% $0. 0849, 2022 November incredibly. Minus 24.36% $0. 0708, 2022 December minus 33.39% $0.0623. 2023 Jan, in spite of prevalent thinking. Minus 23.70% $0. 0714, 2023 February minus 17.22% $0. 0774, 2023 Blemish, which sort of is genuinely critical. Minus 11.78% $0. 0825, 2023 April minus 10.15% $0. 0840, 2023 May. Minus 1.46% $0. 0922, 2023 June plus 1.04% $0. 0945, 2023 July plus 8.25% $0. 1013, 2023 August plus 12.73% $0. 1054, 2023 September plus 17.60% $0.1100. ANC Value Expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees ANC coming to $0.1796 in 2025. What will ANC be worth in 5 years? The cost of ANC in 5 years could lie around $0.1683. Anchor convention value expectation 2030 to 2040. What anchor convention will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating Model sees anchor convention coming to $0.4490 in 2030. What anchor convention will be somewhat worth in 2040? Our determining Model sees anchor convention coming to $0.8980 in 2040. Will secure convention explicitly supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, anchor convention won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could secure convention basically reach $10? Indeed, anchor convention could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Will secure convention reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for anchor convention to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is anchor convention worth purchasing, which is genuinely critical? We are promoters of respectably dangerous financial planning. Contribute the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, anchor convention merits purchasing. Is anchor convention a wise speculation? Anchor convention is, very much like all very other cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How for the most part a lot of will more convention be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0533. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.4490 or much higher. For what reason will more convention succeed and get more expensive, which is very critical? Anchor convention truly has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, or so they basically thought. These are an essential for progress and to that end our expectation model sees anchor convention ascending to $0.4490 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. For what reason will more convention fall flat and drop in value, which is genuinely critical? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the venture. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising system, losing local area support, likely